Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving deep into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Roborock Q7 Max. And on the right, we have its more expensive sibling, the Roborock Qrevo S. Let's see which one sucks, in the best way possible. First up, let's talk about the Moolah. The Q7 Max is priced at $599, while the Qrevo S is a whopping $799. That's right, folks, the Qrevo S costs as much as a small used car. So, is the Qrevo S worth that extra $200? Or should you save your cash for a rainy day? Or, a pizza party? According to Amazon reviews, the Q7 Max is praised for its excellent value and cost-effectiveness, while reviewers find the Qrevo S worth the splurge for its advanced features. Let's find out. When it comes to sucking up your life's messes, the Q7 Max offers an impressive 4,200 pascals suction. Pretty strong, right? But wait, the Qrevo S comes in like a vacuuming superhero with 7,000 pascals suction. That's almost enough to clean your conscience. Reviewers say the Q7 Max's suction power is more than adequate for everyday cleaning, but the Qrevo S takes it up a notch, making it ideal for deeper cleans. Both vacuums can vacuum and mop simultaneously, because why do one chore when you can do two at the same time? The Q7 Max, with its 30 water flow levels, is like the Swiss Army knife of mopping. But the Qrevo S says, "Hold my mop bucket." It has auto mop lifting and dynamic dual spinning mops that spin at 200 RPM. According to reviews, the Q7 Max does a great job at mopping, but the Qrevo S is praised for its efficient and advanced mopping capabilities. Now, let's talk about navigation. Both vacuums use PresaSense LiDAR navigation and can create 3D maps of your home. The Q7 Max lets you add furnishings and flooring materials in the app, so you can pretend you're playing The Sims while cleaning. But the Qrevo S takes it up a notch with reactive tech to avoid obstacles and upgraded app control. Reviewers love the Q7 Max for its precise mapping, but they rave about the Qrevo S's obstacle avoidance and multi-level mapping for up to 4 levels. And now the piece de resistance, the docking stations. The Q7 Max has a combined dustbin and water tank, so you can clean more without stopping. But the Qrevo S, oh boy, it comes with an advanced docking station that can clean the mop, dry it with hot air, and even refill its own water tank. It's like the self-care spa of docking stations. Plus, it has a self-emptying feature that lets you go hands-free for up to 7 weeks. Reviewers appreciate the Q7 Max's efficiency, but they are blown away by the Qrevo S's self-maintenance features. Overall, Amazon reviews highlight that the Roborock Q7 Max is a fantastic option if you want powerful suction and great mopping features without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Roborock Qrevo S is praised for its advanced features, making it worth the higher price for those seeking top-notch performance and convenience. So there you have it, folks. The Q7 Max is a fantastic option if you want powerful suction and great mopping features without breaking the bank. But if you want the creme de la creme of robot vacuums with all the bells and whistles and a docking station that practically does your taxes, the Qrevo S is your go-to. Which one will you choose to clean up your act? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it smart. Product links are in the description.